how to download episodes on Hulu app. The first things first is to pull up your preferred web browser or through your application. Now you have to log into your account and make sure that you are fully subscribed to the Hulu. Now, once you have logged in, all you do is you need to tap on the search icon, the magnifying icon once you're logged in, and select downloadable from the browse menu. Now, when you find something you want to download, navigate to the details page and tap download icon next to the video to download it. Now, are there any limits on downloading movies or episodes on Hulu? You can only or you can have up to 25 downloads on 5 supported devices at one time. And then these limits are set to the account level, not per profile or device. And then if you exceed one of these limits, you'll get a pop-up alert with next steps. You'll have to access to your unwatched downloads for 30 days unless the episode or movie expires from your streaming library before that. So not all movies or not all episodes you can download on Hulu. You can only have or you're only limited after 25 downloads on 5 supported mobile devices at one time. So those are the steps on how you can download movies or episodes on Hulu